Hi, namaste. Namaste to everyone, every my friend around the world who are watching me by Facebook, Instagram, or my YouTube channel. Everyone, most welcome for watching. And today I have made this video for the pranayama and with the mudra, especially focusing about the mudra because mudra it's very important, and mudra it's gives us very good power and energy when we have lack of time to do asanas or other any physical activities. So firstly, we are looking today about before doing the mudra, I want to say that if you like this video, then please like it and share it. And also, if you are watching me in a YouTube channel, then subscribe me and same share. And Facebook also you can do same. Instagram also, because this is one social media platform, and this is only one way that how we can share our knowledge to all around the world. Okay, friends. So now we are coming. So firstly, we are starting about the Pran Mudra. Pran Mudra, how we do? Look at me first. Little finger and index fingers. This is we call Pran Mudra. Pran Mudra. And what is the benefit? It is one of the most important mudra because it helps to activate the dormant energy in the body. And one of the primary benefits of Prana Mudra is its ability to make you feel energized when you are fatigued or depressed, because modern time we all are most of time a depression. And it also helps to strengthen the immune system is very important currently the time of the corona times. And it is very good for the eyes also. Okay, friends, now we are coming the next mudra, and this is it's called Ganesh Mudra. Most of you know about who is Ganesha. Ganesha, he is the son of Lord Shiva. If you travel in India, then you know it. How we do Ganesh Mudra? Look at me. This is a hands. So this is it's called the Ganesh Mudra. Look at me once more. How we do? This is a hands, and take a fingers behind side, your thumb on the top, and then keep it. Ganesh Mudra. So how you will do it? Keep it in center of your chest here. And what is the benefit? So Ganesh Mudra, it's a name by the Lord Ganesha, as you know, and it's performing this mudra is said to help lifts your spirit and give you the will to preserve when you are feeling down. Whenever you are feeling that you have a lack of energy, you can do it. The benefits of this mudra extended to the cardiac muscles and the muscles of the chest, shoulders, and the arms. Now we are doing next, and this is it's called Gyan Mudra. Gyan Mudra, most of us we know. It's very famous among the yogis and among the practitioners. And Gyan Mudras, you can see it in a simple meditation way, and you can keep on the top of your knee. and it's said to be the prime mudra in hand mudras. The meaning of Sanskrit word Jnana is a supreme knowledge. The practice of Gyan Mudra gives supreme knowledge, and it's a meditation. It gives the spiritual progress to many yogis. Now we are doing a next, and this is it's called Shunya Mudra. Shunya Mudra, how we do? Middle fingers. This is it's called Shunya Mudra. And Shunya Mudra practicing, it's provide relief from the range of hearing and balance issues in our body, ears disorder, and such as acute pain, hearing loss, and tinnitus, numbness, anywhere in the body. This mudra is very beneficial for all this. If someone have a hearing problem, then it will be very good. Now we are coming the next, and this is it's called Kali Mudra. How we do Kali Mudra? Look at me first. This is our 5 fingers, like this. Then after, yes, I am trying to show you all the ways. This is so. This is a Kali Mudra, and I think that most of you know about what is a Kali. She is the goddess, and this mudra is very helpful in destroying some unnecessary baggage of your heart and give energy to get through a thought positive power. And this is also very good when you have lots of work, depression. If you do a Kali Mudra, you will get a freshness. As you know, Kali is a fierce goddess representing death, transformation, and ultimately purification. So Kali Mudra is overcoming difficulties in our physical and mental problems in the bodies. So Kali Mudra is also very good. Now we are going to do next, and this is it's called back mudra. Back mudra, it's very important for everyone, because most of people, they are working in the office chair or sitting, and when we sitting, so we have the problem in our back most of time, and we take medicine or some painkiller spray, but it's not relief, and it's continuous going on. So you have to do nothing more, just as I said earlier also, all the mudras minimum 15 minutes and maximum you can do 45 minutes or 1 hour, no side effect. Sit in any styles, but keep your backbone straight. So same, first see how we do the back mudra. Right hand, ring finger and index finger, and left hand, ring finger. Keep it. Look at me once more. So this is a back mudra, and back mudra, it's work in a way which help in balancing the energies in body, and it helps to get rid of complication due to pain. Back mudra is effective in relieving in the back pain, as I said. So if you will do every day minimum 15 minutes, you will get a positive result very soon. Now we are doing a mandala, because most of people, you know that mandala is the circle of life. How we do mandala? look at me. This is we have a fingers. Look at me. Look at me once more. It's a little difficult, probably. I think you all are feeling. So look at me once more, how we are doing it. So this is, it's called mandala. If anyone cannot understand, then you can message me and I will make again video. Please don't forget to comment also. Comment and sharing if you will like it. So mandala mudra, it helps you to center yourself and makes your connection with the universe, and it's a large. It helps increasing your need for meditation, because many of peoples, when they do meditation, they cannot focus very easily. Like when we do meditation, we close our eyes, but our mind, it's thinking our friend, family, workplace, we cannot focus. So if you do mandala mudra, so it will help you. So it will help you. Okay, now we are doing next, and it's called Shurabhi mudra. Shurabhi, how we do Shurabhi mudra. Before doing, I want to say what is and how we do it. Shurabhi mudra, it's highly effective against rheumatism and arthritis. It has a positive effect on digestive and metabolism system of the body. It also helps to detoxify the body. So please look at me how we do Shurabhi Mudra. I'm trying to show you a very easy method. So it's called Surabhi Mudra. Look at me once more. I show you all of you once more. You can also try it. Okay friends, now we are doing next, and this is, it's called Janamudra. And how we do Janamudra, first look at it how we are doing it. So index finger, we move it, and we keep our thumb on the side of index finger on the top. The term Janamudra means wisdom in Sanskrit. So Janamudra can be described as the gesture knowledge of wisdom, elevating nervous tensions from the body, boosting memory, curing insomnia, developing creativity, and enhancing spirituality are some of its benefits. So Jana Mudra, it looks very easy, benefit a lot. And as I said most of times that all the mudras, it's very important. So in my YouTube channel, I will make all the links which one I have made in earlier also. And I think that until now I have made approx 30 different types of mudras, very big benefit for our physical body, and it's very useful, and I hope that you all will like it and love it. And in this corona times, it's very important to be positive, to be full of energetic, to start a new life again with social distancing, with making a more hygienic way, and full of good power. So always trying to be a positive, because pessimism and negativity are as dangerous as blood sugar, cancer, heart attack. This disease peoples we can save. If someone have cancer, sugar or blood pressure, we can save, but negativity persons we cannot save. So negative persons always corrupt all the peoples who are surrounded of him. So my dear friends, if you are looking any one person, if near one of you always saying a negative, speaking with you, trying to make a distance, trying to leave, and make your own space, make your own time, be full of positivity, full of good energy to fight this life. Because pessimism persons, they cannot complete anything. If you give any responsibility to pessimism person, so they will take that responsibility, but they will not complete that responsibility, and when they will back, they will say that many pretended about could not complete that work, because they don't want to be positive. So friends, why I am telling it, I want to say that now we all are in a coronavirus time, and this time many countries, it's already lockdown is over, but in our India still now we are in a lockdown period. But in other countries you are out of lockdown. Many of peoples, they have a negative energy, trying to make them change their thoughts, trying to give them a positive energy. If you success, then it's okay, but if you cannot change, then make distance and complete your dream, complete your desire, complete your goal of life with full of new energy, new power, new thoughts. And I am your friend Somit. I will be always with you online. You can catch me, or you can write me mail. And anyhow, if you visit Varanasi, India, most welcome always for the yoga lesson, accommodation, or other activities. So thank you friends for watching it, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video all online platforms. traveling sites everywhere, so that more and more people could join it. And friends, if any one of you, if you like to do some volunteering work in India and in Varanasi, then most welcome in our volunteering program for helping underprivileged children's free educations program. So you can also participate. And same time, if you guys anyone want to give any contribution, help or support, then you can text me, you can message me. Your help, supports and ideas always welcome. Thank you friend, thank you. And please don't forget, keep practicing. And if you have any questions, you can write me, I will reply you. Thank you friends. Om Shanti.